Hello, potential guests. In this short video, we will be presenting our hotel and its concept to you. We have renovated an already existing hotel. Before, this hotel was called the Emerald Forest Hotel. We have completely redesigned this hotel and made up a different concept. To get some ideas and inspiration, we visited a couple of hotels in Rotterdam.
Our hotel is located on a beautiful destination in the forest of Budano. We want this to really be visible in our concept as well. Our target group is leisure guests between the ages of 25 and 55 without kids.
We named our hotel Santai Hotel. Santai means relax in Indonesian. Our slogan is just breathe, which falls back on the idea of our guests coming to our hotel to rest and take a break. We encourage our guests to just breathe and leave the rest to us. We offer fresh, healthy food of high quality because we believe that a good day starts with a good food. We pay a lot of attention to the looks of our food. We want our food to look as good as it tastes. We get our products and ingredients from local farmers, and our chefs are highly educated and really understand the vision and idea we have behind the presentation, plus the taste of the dishes we serve. Then we have a couple of pools where guests can swim and clear their minds. One of our pools is an infinity pool where you can swim while enjoying an incredible view.
Besides that, we have fitness and yoga rooms where guests can go and work out if wanted and even socialize. Our yoga and fitness spaces are always disponible, and we have fitness and yoga instructors who keep an eye out and will help the guests if and where needed. Now we want to introduce our management team and their tasks and responsibilities.
My name is Lara Rademakers and I'm the General Manager. I'm responsible for our daily operations and make sure everything runs smoothly. Also, I keep track of our performance and as a business and provide growth strategies. On top of that, my duties concern hiring as well as training new employees and improving revenue.
I'm Lois Raats. I'm the Financial Manager of the hotel. I make accurate financial and information reports. I also develop cash flow statements and give advice on financial decision making. Besides that, I manage our budget and investments as well as our risk of financial loss.
My name is Emily Dupuy and I'm the HR manager of the hotel. My task is to interview potential staff and to hire employees. I also counsel and coach our staff to make sure they provide excellent service for our guests. Some other responsibilities are to make sure there's awareness of these policies. I organize and manage our overall work performance.
Hi, my name is Daphne Post and I'm the hospitality manager. I manage the customer service and supervise our maintenance and oversee the housekeeping. Besides that, I deal with customer complaints. I also look into the quality and quantity of both our supplies and equipment.
Hi, my name is Nanda Prudencia and I'm the marketing and sales manager. I'm responsible for advertising our hotel brand. I come up with sales plans and develop pricing strategies. I also have to identify customers' needs and keep track of ongoing trends. Besides that, I try to make sure our marketing and sales department meets its goals and objectives. To get any extra information or more pictures to visualize our hotel, you can visit our Instagram or Facebook page by scanning these QR codes.
We want to thank you for your attention and we hope we have encouraged and convinced you to book with us. See you soon!